guys, my name is Ray and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted a video in a while now, like 3 months from now. I mean a hair related video. I posted like audit of the day, behind the scenes and all that kind of stuff with a website that I'm working. And the reason why I haven't posted, I haven't been on YouTube, let's say like that, is because I go to university. I'm very busy. There also 2 months ago I started my first job, and you know, life is busy. Also I go to the gym and I didn't have a lot of time to make videos for you guys. Today I'm trying to make a video for you. I'm gonna be reviewing one of my favorite products. It's it's a Chaptr hair cream from Carlos Roberto and Jordan O'Brien. I gotta say, Jordan was a big inspiration for me starting my YouTube channel because he's one of the first. Also, I've been watching Carlos for like 2 years from now. Also, we talk once in a while. And yeah, today I'm gonna review their product. I wish I make my product in the future. Why not? Let's do it. As always, we're gonna start with the packaging. I gotta say, the packaging looks... The actual jar is the same with Blue Man, but to be honest, I don't care a lot about the similarity. It's just a black jar. Also, we have the logo up here, Chaptr logo. Also, it's written Chaptr styling cream with pliable natural hold. We're gonna talk about this later. Also, we have the ingredients like water, Copernica, hydrogenated oil, you know, the ingredients, the usual stuff. Also the directions: blend a small amount into your hands, work through dry hair and style as usual, reshape anytime. Yeah. Also, I gotta say the jar is made out of plastic, so I can throw it down, it's not gonna break. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. Now let's talk about what's inside the jar, the product. Now first I'm gonna talk about the smell. I gotta say it's like it's special because I haven't came across this scent in other hair products. It's like, to be honest, I don't know the exact term what this smells, but I like it. I'm not the biggest fan, but it's nice. Okay, it's just a hair product. Smell doesn't bother me. I gotta say, it doesn't bother me. Let's say this is a cream styling product, but it's a bit tougher. I don't mind it because again, it's easy to pull out of the jar. It's not that creamy, but it's not a problem for me. Let's move on with application. I gotta say, the application, it's one of my favorite components of this product. It goes, I gotta say, effortlessly to your hair, into your hair. Just take a small amount or a big amount, I don't know what you're into. Just like this, just a couple of times until it gets warm enough to put into your hair. And just put in your hair, it goes seamlessly. It's very easy. Also, it's a lot pliable, as that's something that I like a lot. You can see how pliable it is. I can do it like this. I have like a messier look, like I don't care look. Also, I can do it just like this and all get serious. Now I can go to work. Button up and work. Yeah, I have to make a video first. Okay, where we left it. So we talked about the jar, about the smell, about the consistency of the product. We talked about how easily it can go into your hair. The hold is the point that I like to talk about because at the jar it says pliable natural hold. With natural hold I expected like a medium hold, like a cream, to be honest. And I'm very surprised. Like a lot of other YouTubers, for example Blue Man, I saw his video like a week ago, and he was also surprised like me because the hold is great. He has shorter hair like me. Also, I have also long hair at the sides and at the top. It comes just at the bottom of my nose. But I have to say, the hold is amazing. Today I styled my hair with Chaptr hair cream. I didn't use it a lot, But if I use a bit more, not a lot, just a bit more, I know that the hairstyle is gonna go all day. Yeah. Also it's pliable, so that's great. So that is that for the hold. I'm very surprised because it's like, actually the hold is like a clay. To be honest, I get the same hold with like Cavalier or Hans the Fugo Claymation, Carter Supply Fortify and clays like this. Also Chevaux, which I'm gonna be reviewing later, maybe this month, maybe the other month, I don't know. Anyway, I gotta say the hold is great. So I don't know if it's something else that I have to talk about. I don't know if I have a coupon code, to be honest. If I have one, you're gonna see it in the screen, also it's gonna be in the description down below. Now let's talk about my conclusion. And you already know, you saw the video, so you know that my conclusion is that I totally recommend the Chaptr hair cream from Carlos Roberto and Jordan O'Brien. I want to congratulate the guys, they made a great work. I know it took a lot of time, like more than a year, because I don't know, they had their problems with manufacturing and all that kind of stuff. But I'm happy that the product is out, that they sent it to me to review it, also to try it. They not pay me, that's for sure. I don't earn any money if you use my coupon code. So yeah, that's my totally honest opinion about the Chaptr hair cream. I love it. I gotta say I've been using it a lot, combined it with by Blue Man Smooth, original by Blue Man Smooth. In the next video I'm gonna be showing you how I style this hairstyle. This is my everyday hairstyle because I've been growing my hair like 2 or 3 months from now. Yeah, since my last dramatic haircut, I've been growing it out, at least on the sides. I only cut it once at the top, and since then I haven't cut my hair again. I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest, but for now I'm growing it out. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. Also, comment in the comment section down below if you have something to comment, like if you have a question for me or a compliment, why not? I accept compliments, I like them a lot. Yeah, that's it for now. Till the next time, peace!